Here's a mini split unit right here at a bank. Oh, it's a Carrier. Oh, this is an air conditioner. This is actually a unit, not a mini split, guys. Energy Star. This one has not been running at all. There's a King suction line that's been badly installed. It's from 2005 and it's a 2-ton. Now this was a mini split at first, but this is a Carrier air conditioner. Central air conditioner, guys, not a mini split. I've actually never noticed it was there. This is at a bank where I filmed the 2006 Carrier, the base model, and the Gemini split system. So I've actually never noticed it was there. So yeah, 2005 2-ton Carrier air conditioner, badly installed, but let's go straight in. Anyway, it's over now.